What's up guys, it's Sarah at SCENTBOX, and today we're going to be looking at a scent from SCENTBOX. Actually, this is the first one I've covered on my channel from SCENTBOX, and I really like SCENTBOX a lot. It's kind of tough to choose between SCENTBIRD and SCENTBOX. They're both really good, honestly. The one thing that I really do like about SCENTBOX is that they actually come with the atomizers. They're not any extra, and on SCENTBIRD, they don't come with them necessarily. And it gets a little pricey, honestly, if you just want to buy one. If you do want to try SCENTBOX, I will leave a link in the description below. They also have the same referral program basis as SCENTBIRD. So if you sign up through my link, I'll get a free scent. You'll get a free scent. It's really cool. I definitely appreciate it. So check that out if you want to. This scent that we're going to be looking at today is by Creed. So I don't know if you've seen in one of my other videos, I did cover Creed Aventus, which is a very popular fragrance among the men's colognes. I feel like every man knows about it, or you know, it's on like every top 5-10 list that there is. So I really was excited to see what the Creed Silver Mountain smells like. So that's what we're going to be looking at today. And I like the red atomizer too, and I like how it has the little SCENTBOX logo right on it. Looks nice. Let's go ahead and give it a smell test. Definitely like that one. In my opinion, it's really close to the Aventus for me myself. I know the Aventus has a lot of hype around it, like everyone loves that one, but you don't hear about the Creed Silver Mountain as much, I feel like. But it's a really good smell. Kind of has like a orangey smell to it almost, I'd say. So it's definitely clean, crisp, kind of an orangey hint. Really like it. This is one of my favorites that my husband actually has. Like, I love when he wears it. I always know when he wears it too. I feel like it's a pretty distinct smell. So definitely recommend for the fellas out there if you're, you know, looking for a new scent. Everything I've smelt from Creed has been great so far. So the Aventus, really great. Also, the Creed Silver Mountain is really good as well. I will leave a link to SCENTBOX down in the description below if you want to check them out. And don't forget about that referral if you do decide to sign up, because if you go through the link, we'll both get a free scent. It's a win-win for everybody. Definitely would appreciate it. So thank you all for watching. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. I'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, hit the like button. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye!